Hey everyone, so you might want to stop spending $20 on makeup sponges, honestly, and just get this instead. A pack of these is literally, well, like a few dollars, that's it. And let me show you why it's actually better. Now, the sharp edges get into all the nooks and crannies that a round sponge just can't. You know, like around your nose, under your eyes, and no more creasing or patchy spots. It's just perfect. It's also a secret weapon for the sharpest contour line. It lays down the product exactly where you want it, and you get that clean, snatched look every time. I use the word snatched. But the real magic here is in the pressure. Because the material is denser, you need the lightest of touch. You just gently press it into the skin, and the results are absolutely stunning. It's old school, but it's absolutely perfect. And my favorite hack of all, well, you have to wait for another video for that because it is truly life-changing. Now, these sponges truly are a game changer. So you get a better application, more precision, and you save a ton of money. Sometimes the old school tools are just better for a reason. It's one of the oldest tricks in the book. And now, well, you know it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Please like this video because my husband tells me to change my top so that you'll believe that I've been filming these differently. No, it's all in one go.